Welcome to Mr. NBT channel. In this video, we are going to visit Malla Reddy University campus, which is located in Hyderabad. This is the main entrance for going to Malla Reddy University. We'll know about the Malla Reddy University. It's one of the premier institution for holistic education. It's a leading private university located in Hyderabad, India. Established in 2020 under the Telangana State Private Universities Act. It is short form is MRU. This university quickly emerged as a center of excellence, offering a dynamic and innovative learning environment. Here is what MRU stands out. State of the art infrastructure. We will see how the classrooms and library and other amenities are there in this video. First, we will enter into the campus. It has a vibrant campus life because MRU offers a vibrant and intensive campus life, ensuring students have a well-rounded experience. It also has residential facilities, food court, recreational facilities. The campus, when you are entering, there are other Malla Reddy University institutions surroundings nearby to this university campus. You can see right side is the Malla Reddy Engineering College. It is also one of the famous college. And if you go further, you can see the Malla Reddy University campus and an international center to have the inquiry about that university. You can see around everywhere, you can see all the students and very nice buildings and posh areas, because this Malla Reddy institutions are been there from long time, and the city surroundings are developed because the university campus, especially in this area Maisamaguda. You can see there is another engineering college which is also an Malla Reddy institution for women. If you go further, this is the main university campus that we just entered, and you can see the campus buildings and other engineering colleges, pharmacy colleges, etc. when we quickly enter into the campus. The cleanliness and the student facilities are very much marvelous, and you can see the state of the art of infrastructure and the plantations, gardens, everything is marvelous. You can see the beauty of the campus here, and you'll see the discipline of the students. Just now the classrooms are completed, or classroom work is completed, and the students are coming in a line, not like any other institutions. So the discipline is inbuilt into the education system. That's where it stands out from other educational institutions in Hyderabad. So we are entering into the main campus. You can see the diagram or the map of complete campus here. You can see a wider roads and plantation with very much greenery around the campus. You can see bougainvillea trees and palm trees as well, and you can see the hanging. So this is a complete structure. The far away things is the main building of the campus. These are the largest grounds where the students can play. And see the beauty here. There is a small temple that was not disturbed. Instead, that was kept like that, and remaining construction was taken place. The buildings that you see are like hostels or residential facilities, because the university has complete residential facilities. Whoever wants to stay in the college campus and have their education without wasting their time in traveling from city or from other places to this campus. Now we are entering into the central library. The central library, with a vast collection of resources to support academic and research needs. You can see international and national journals. Apart from this, books that is given as a loan to the students, and see the sitting arrangements. It's a huge central library where the students can reside here and have their books taken and refer the books and do their homeworks etc. here. And also the computerization was done in such a way that everything is automated in the library. Even the distribution of the books, or even the students can renew their books from their computers once the books are distributed. There is a pin drop silence in the campus because every student is in very well disciplined, and they had their own responsibilities that are taken care keenly by studying their syllabus in time and appearing for the examinations. You can see there will be a digital library as well, which is very much advanced one. And also you had ELTS and TOEFL learning center, where you can practice some of these advanced courses that is required to enter into the international programs like Master of Science MS in USA or Canada or other countries, where these competitive exams are held. Based on that, the seats are reserved. So you can see the library has lots of book racks. Each book rack was labeled in such a way that you know what is inside that racks, and see the arrangement of the books. You can always go and nicely select whatever the books that you want and take them as a reference and study it here. And also they will give loan of these books where you can take home and study and return back. See the marvelous uh, books that are well equipped in this library. Even the library staff and other non-technical members are very much cooperative for the students, because everyone here in the campus helps each other to become the students' life much more brighter and equipped with a lot of knowledge that is required in this competitive world. So numerous volumes you can see. Hundreds and thousands of books are part of this library. Very interesting. And the digital library also is very much spacious. See how much big library it is. And this campus is meant for vibrant campus life, because it has residential facilities for students and faculty, fostering a close knit community. Now we will once again see this digital library. You can see the advanced desktops for the students to practice their examinations. MR International Education Center, this one helps the students whoever wants to pursue their future education from the topmost universities. And outside the central library you can see the robotic things that were placed here. This is very good inspiration for the students. Whenever they move on to this campus or central library, they will get inspiration from all these robotics and other display items that are part of this. Knowledge empowers the world. It's true. The campus life really imparts knowledge to the students and gives them enough skills to sustain or to foster into the competitive world and get in the campus recruitments like computer science related and other electronics and non-computers science students are also getting a lot of um, opportunities inside and outside the campuses. And also, as this is an university, you had the opportunity to do PhD as well. So this campus also consists of recreational facilities, including a fitness center and sports ground, encouraging students to stay active and healthy, not just only an education perspective, it's an all-round perspective development. The academic excellence, it has diverse academic programs across fields like technology, management, pharmacy, architecture, and more. Innovating teaching methods are wonderful here that integrates digital platforms and open educational resources. They are called OERs to enhance learning. And this university has global collaborations with international universities for exchange and facilities exchange programs, fostering a global perspective. Now we are entering to the food courts part, where the students are taking their break, lunch break, and having some good food here. They had very wonderful food courts here, 18 food court. Not only this, you can also have the international food courts like burgers, um, and you can have all kinds of biryanis and rice items, breakfast, juices, drinks, whatnot. A student no need to go outside for any kind of um, food or lunch related things. See, the students are so friendly. I just interacted with a few students. They were very happy with the education system here, and the facilities that are being provided here. That's wonderful. And the industry placements and partnerships are also very strong here. MRU has strong ties with industry leaders, ensuring students are well prepared for their careers. There are internship programs with the top national and international companies. On campus placement drives that connect students with leading employers. Hackathons and innovation drives to nurture creativity and problem solving skills. You can see the campus equipped with a huge cafeteria which caters complete university students, and also the students can take some break by having some snacks in the evening. You can see there are a lot of hangouts here with the food court facilities and a huge sitting area for the students and for faculty. You can see the Burger King here to order for your lunch and snacks items. See the cleanliness, very much neat and tidy. So this is the counter where you can buy your tokens. Now I am just roaming around to show you what are the other facilities available. This is a Frankie counter, the students enjoying their Frankies. You can see Continental Coffee stall here. You can get a number of soft drinks here, from thumbs up to Pepsi, Mazza, Mirinda, whatnot. Name a soft drink, you will get it here. And also there are snacks like chips and other Haldirams related products. The campus has its own ICICI bank facility in order to have banking inside the campus for the students to deposit their money or to withdraw the money for their daily needs. We can enter to the cafeteria in another entrance, and this is the faculty room where the faculty can have their lunch. Wow, Continental coffee. The coffee is very good here. I tasted one coffee. You can also have juice bar cave where juices are very famous here, and there are some other stalls that are being opened, that is Burger King. Previously they used to have ice cream stalls as well, and here that some kitchen kind of things is there, and this is another food stall. So you had a lot of options here for the students to have their lunch or dinner very effectively. See, the students are very energetic, and they were very happy that for the facilities they see here. And the campus is designed as an eco-friendly space with measures for energy conservation and water management. The students are encouraged to participate in social responsibility initiatives as well, like Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, contributing to the community development. This guy is having nice biryani. They says to me join as well. Nice, right? Very good pieces. Wonderful. This is an open air auditorium with lush green mats and a central stage here. The building with classes is the main administrative block of this campus, which adds a very good feather to the whole campus. So this is a round open auditorium. Whenever there is a big announcements or meetings in the evenings will be conducted here. There are many students, hundreds of students can have this sitting arrangement and comfortably listen to the speaker in this open air auditorium. So you had seen a very good central library, good and biggest cafeteria, and nice auditorium. So you can understand the open classrooms. I mean, the classrooms with the spacious facilities and digital dashboards in order to have innovative technology methods for teaching the students. So why choose Malla Reddy University? Because of its global standards in education and research, world class infrastructure and facilities. We had just seen very tip of the iceberg, because we don't have permission to take pictures or videos inside the classrooms.